Hi everyone. Just a thought that flashed today in the morning. Rather, I've been thinking about it since quite few days. What if internet stops someday? We just faced this COVID lockdown and everything. What if the internet also locks down? What if the mobile networks lock down? What if we are forced to return back to that dialing landline phones? Um, have you ever thought how our personal life will be affected? Have you ever thought how your work will be affected, your career will be affected, your connectivity will be affected? Um, I really want you people to really think about it, because this situation is uh, is definitely very serious. It's fun to think, but I would really want you to give next 7 days to actually evaluate on what all areas you can actually survive if there is no internet, if there is no mobile phones, and also how is it affecting your life. So if you can just think and introspect about it. Do you have a backup? A lot of online businesses are burgeoning these days. So have you actually thought about it, how your businesses will fare? How will you manage? Do you have a backup? We none of us were actually prepared for this COVID lockdown and the way it affected most of our personal life, our lifestyle, our work, and almost every aspect of our lives. Because we were not prepared, we didn't have this backup with us. But since I always go for digital detox, and digital detox is actually not using your mobile phones and not using internet, and no gadget, no TV, no outside news, just being in nature, just being with family, just meditating. So what if such things happen? Are we really prepared? I am also asking these questions, and let's really share. I would really want you people to share if you have a backup for this, if you have a plan B for it. If not, let's make a plan B. I don't know why am I getting and why am I making this video. I have no intentions to create any air of confusion here. It's just a thought that flashed my mind, because I do go on into my tunnel of maintenance, my digital detox, and that's when this idea actually flashed into my mind. So yes guys, do let me know on all this, and I'll be waiting for your feedbacks. Bye bye. Please take care of yourself.